This is the Wings Powerpods, and I'm here to show you the unboxing and review. So let's get started. Now this is available at 1,499 rupees at its official website and for 3,899 rupees on Amazon. And this is available in black color. Now the main highlights of these earbuds are 150 hours of playtime. It comes with a massive 2500 mAh battery and it doubles as a power bank. So for a single charge you might get from 5 to 6 hours of playtime, but with 2500 mAh case, you get 150 hours of playtime. Now that's great. It comes with digital display that shows the battery percentage of the case. Now these earbuds have 13mm premium graphene drivers, and these are backlit earbuds with LED ring lights. It has HD calling mic, instant connect, game mode with low latency of 40 milliseconds. It has complete touch controls, and it also comes with IPX5 water and sweat resistance. That's pretty nice. Now without further ado, let's get to unboxing. Now here's the box. As always, it is in purple color. There is branding, Wings Powerpods, gaming earbuds. Wings logo towards top corner. There is a preview of the case and buds, and there are highlights. Up to 150 hours playtime, 2500 mAh case battery, HD calling microphone, and on the bottom, there are some more highlights. Bluetooth 5.3, game mode with 40 milliseconds low latency, 13mm drivers, power bank function, digital display case design, and voice assistant support. On the back, there's pricing and some more information. Now let's unbox. First we have the sticker sheet on the inside of the lid. Next we have the case, followed by accessories box. Finally, there is documentation. Inside the accessories box, we have extra ear tips and micro USB cable. And this is how the earbuds case looks like. Now let's have physical overview. It is a solid plastic case, looks bigger than most earbud cases. On top of the case, there's Wings branding and a display that shows battery percentage of the case. On the front, there's a flap. Underneath, there are two ports, micro USB and USB-A. USB-A is to charge other devices while using this as power bank. On top of the flap, there's a groove to open the lid. The rest of the case is plain. These are the earbuds and they don't have a stem. On the back, there is Wings logo, which also acts as touch control area. There is LED light ring around the touch area, and there's a mic on each earbud. On the bottom, there is L and R markings. On the other side, there's ear tip and charging pins. Now let's look at specs. It comes with Bluetooth 5.3 and weighs 93 grams. As for earbuds, they weigh 5 grams each. This comes with IPX5 water and sweat resistance, has game mode with 40 milliseconds low latency. Now these earbuds have 13mm premium graphene drivers, and this is pretty portable and compact. As for battery, this comes with 2500 mAh battery, and on single charge the earbuds give 5 to 6 hours of playtime, and with case, overall you get 150 hours of playtime. That's just amazing. Now let's look at pairing process. Just open the lid and it goes into pairing mode. Search on the phone and tap on Wings Powerpods, and that's it. It's paired. Now let's look at functions. You can tap once on the right earbud to increase volume and tap once on the left to decrease volume. You can tap twice on either side to play or pause. Tap thrice on the right to play next, and tap thrice on the left to play previous. You can tap and hold on right to activate game mode, and you can tap and hold on left for voice assistant. Now let's see how this charges other devices. Now the display on top shows charging information. It shows the case battery percent. It also says in or out next to the percentage. So while you're charging the case, it says in, and while you're using it as power bank, it says out. That's a simple but effective way to inform. Now let's look at the review. Let's start with design and build. Now this looks good and feels very smooth to hold. It is slightly bigger than most TWS cases, but it doesn't feel that odd. But it is big for a reason. It packs 2500 mAh battery. So you can't complain about the big size of the case because you are getting a great battery life. And as I said, it's not that big, very easy to carry, feels very nice to hold. There's display on top showing charging information, it shows the case battery percentage, and that is nice to have, especially for power bank purposes. Now let's take these earbuds out, and every time you take them out, there's a tune playing from the earbuds. Here's how it sounds. Coming to the earbuds, these look good. As they don't have any stem and are compact, these are not sticking out of ear and are subtle when you wear them, at least from the front. Obviously, you can see from the side. Anyway, they have snug fit in ear and are very comfortable for long usage, and they feel pretty light. I even tried shaking my head and they don't fall out easily. As for audio quality, music and voice sounds good. Details are good at high and low volumes, and there is no distortion either. Bass is subtle, you can feel it at higher volumes. Overall, audio quality is pretty good. As for call quality, voice is audible and clear on both sides. There is not much of a background noise and there are no connectivity issues either. You can definitely take calls and talk for a long time on these earbuds. That's been the unboxing and review of Wings Powerpods. It comes with a massive battery, so you don't have to charge it frequently. You can also use it as power bank, even to charge your phone. It will be handy in emergency situations. It is also very comfortable in ear and feels very light. If these are the things you are looking for, then you can definitely buy the Wings Powerpods. By the way, it's also available for lower price on their official website, so I recommend you to buy there. That's pretty much it for this video. Do let us know what you think about this. Will you buy it? Let us know in the comments below or tweet out to us at GreedyTech on Twitter. I'm Unknown from GreedyTech. Meet you next time.